All right, here we go. It's a beautiful Monday morning. Got the sunrise coming up just behind me. We're ready to roll. Time to get this week started. A new week. And heading into the open today, markets are relatively flat. So two big developments you need to be aware of that occurred over the weekend. One is President Trump, with an executive order, extended some of these stimulus measures that were pretty contentious last week. And as Congress came together trying to find a long-term solution, we're unable to find one. Talks pretty much stalled. President Trump comes out over the weekend and extends them temporarily. So Congress needs to come together. We've got to figure out something for the long haul, but in the interim, that's what we get. So that gave the markets a little bit of a bump last night. The second bit of news you need to be aware of is this continuation of tension between China and the US, which escalated even more over the weekend as China has now sanctioned 11 US officials in retaliation for some sanctions that the US put on Chinese officials on Friday. So that retaliation is putting a little bit of pressure on the markets, keeping things muted right now. So looking at the markets heading into today, equity market's pretty flat. We're seeing oil up over 1% right now, so we're just shy of $42 a barrel in WTI as Saudi Arabia is coming out and they've said that they see demand picking back up, so that's good. Oil rallies. We're seeing the dollar rally right now, albeit minor, no major moves. And then gold, slight bit in gold, light volumes, but we're firmly holding north of $2,000 an ounce. So this week, got more earnings coming out. We've got retail sales number coming out on Friday, and we've got some data coming out of China on Friday as well. So certainly some headline risk out there. Going to be another fun one, and definitely going to be some more opportunity. We'll get these markets moving. All right. Hope everybody enjoyed that weekend and is ready to go this week. Let's go out there. Let's get after it. All right. Take care. Bye-bye.